video is going to be all about organizing your laptop and customizing it with all these cool different things. I was inspired to do this by Julie K. Christ. I will link her channel down below, but she makes amazing videos like this. If you guys want to see more customization videos for your laptop, go check out hers because she'll have some. And I just wanted to say that this video, all these ideas, I tried to make as unique as possible, so hopefully you haven't seen them before. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get into it. So the first way to customize and personalize your laptop is to actually use Chrome extensions. So Chrome extensions are things that you can download and they will do different things. So I'm going to be sharing my favorite ones because there's just a whole array of all of them. There's a lot of them, so I'm going to show you guys my top 3 ones. So the first Chrome extension that I think everyone should have and that no one talks about is ad blocker, and I'm going to quickly show you guys how you can add on a Chrome extension. So to install the ad blocker, you are going to first look up Chrome extensions, and after that you're going to see the Chrome web store. So you're going to want to click on that and it will bring you up the Chrome extension web store, blah blah blah. So now you will have the search and store, and as you can see here, there are just tons of different things that you can get for your computer, like custom cursor, tons of different cool things. So the ad blocker I am going to be using is called 𝙦𝙦𝙦𝙦. And you are going to click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. Now you will see it right there. So we're in YouTube right now, and if we click on a video, usually there's an ad at the beginning of the video, and as you can see, no ads. So you can also see up here that there are 11 ads blocked on this page. So it's something very nice that just blocks all your ads. So basically this blocks ads from YouTube and Hulu and tons of different websites. It's something that is very helpful and you should get on your computer. The next one is more of a fun one, but it is called Desktop Goose. And this is a little goose that follows your mouse around everywhere. It can get extremely annoying. It's very cute, but also a big disturbance. So if you want to have something distracting you while you're doing your schoolwork, then this is the perfect extension for you. The next cool extension is Desktop Goose, and I'm going to download it just so I can show you guys, because this may add viruses onto your computer, but I do not know. And you are going to click the Desktop Goose, the first one I guess. You're going to click download now, and so it will look like you're going to have to pay for it, but you're just going to say no thanks, just take me to the downloads. And then you're going to download for Mac or for Windows, whatever you're using. And now it will be loading right here. So once it has fully downloaded, you are going to open it. I think it's a zip, so... And then you're going to open that little folder, and as you can see there is the Desktop Goose. This little goose, really cute. And this is where it says, are you sure you want this because it's from the internet? I haven't had any problems with it yet, but it is very annoying, so I've deleted it plenty of times. Okay, here he is. You can see he makes some tapping noises like his feet. And it is also very distracting. He also leaves little mud prints on your screen that will start to go away. So he goes off of the screen for a little bit, and then he'll pull out a meme which you can customize. But as you can see, what a beautiful meme. And if you exit out of the meme, he will come for your mouse and look at it, take it. You can't control it until he gives it back. So yes, he is much of a disturbance, but he is very cute and you can customize him a lot. So if you want a little Desktop Goose, then this is the thing for you. Last extension I'm going to share for now is called Netflix Party. There are lots more extensions, so check them out. But Netflix Party, I'm sure you've probably heard of it, but basically you're just going to download it like you did with the ad blocker. And then you can send the link to your friends and you can watch a Netflix party together while you guys can both chat on the side. So it's something very cool, especially during quarantine, that you can try out. Another little small customization thing, but I feel like not a lot of people talk about it, is choosing what day your calendar starts on. So personally for me in my bullet journal, I start my day on Monday because that's the start of the school week for me, so it's just something better. And most calendars start with Sundays. I think it's something very helpful that nobody talks about. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into date and time, which is in system preferences or settings. And you're gonna go down to the 2 set date and time formats, use blah blah blah. So you're going to click the open language and region something, and then you'll see first day of the week, and right now it's on Sunday, but you can change it to any of the day of the week, and I'm going to change it to Monday. So you can also change a couple different things. Another great thing to do to make your laptop look aesthetic and clean and organized is to color coordinate your icons. I'm just going to show you how much of organizing your dock by either color coordinating just makes it look so much better. So here are all the things I have, and it kind of looks very chaotic, but I'm going to quickly put them in color order. And something you have to remember is you cannot change Finder, so I usually put Finder as, or I usually put blue as the last color. So now let's organize it. So some of the apps aren't fully one color, but I put the calculator as orange just because I think it would look better. But look at that, now you have color coordination and it looks so much better. So the next thing blew my mind. I found out how to do this off of this website, so I will link that down below. I'm going to be linking this website down below, but it shows you kind of the directions on how to do it. So you're gonna open up Terminal. And I don't really know what that is, but I think it's some type of coding. Then you're going to be copying and pasting this thing right here. So Command C, then go to the terminal and Command V, and then enter. And you will see on your dock now that you have a blank space, which is actually just like a space that you can, oopsies, no, you can now move this around to wherever you want the space, and then if you want to get rid of it, all you have to do is drag it to the trash can. So do with that what you want, but I thought it was just something cool that I would share. And maybe, I don't know, you can do maybe more coding things. I actually don't really know what all these things mean and do, but I think it's something cool. So if you first got your laptop and you chose light mode instead of dark or vice versa, the way you can change this is very simple. My laptop is too old to actually do fully dark mode, but I can change the dock from dark to light. But to do dark mode, you're going to go into settings and into general. So there are tons of different things you can customize here, but my laptop is too old for dark mode. But what I can do is I can have dark mode on my dock and up here. So this is it without it. I actually kind of like it this way, but I also like it that way. So if you have a newer laptop and you want to use dark mode, this is how you do it. It will just show the option for it. The next thing makes your laptop very organized and very nice, so it is pinning your tabs. So if you have tons of Chrome tabs open, it just looks very cluttered and like it's taking up so much space. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how much better it looks when you pin your tabs. So as you can see, you have some tabs open, alright? Kind of looks cluttered because there's only really another room for another tab. But what you're going to do is double click or click with 2 fingers and pin. Look at that. Look at how much more space you have now and how much nicer it just looks. It's something I definitely recommend that is good at organizing your Google laptop thing. So the next thing I've seen people kind of talk about, and it's hot corners. So if you don't know what this is, it's when you drag your mouse down to one of the corners, then it will bring up something. So either that's like your screensaver or anything else. So now I'm going to be showing you how to do this fancy trick where then you can go and open something up. What you're going to do is you're going to go to System Preferences, Settings, whatever you call it. Then you're going to go to Desktop and Screensaver. So you will see right here that it says hot corners, and you are going to want to click that. Then you can customize tons of different things. So I have, for when I go to that corner, it will save the battery, but I can still keep it open. A command for this one, for what I'm showing you guys, is it's called desktop. There's also different things you can do, but this is my favorite one. So now if you want to access something, you drag your mouse to the corner and you can open up something. So it just saves a lot of time instead of having to minus that, then move your sticky notes around if you have more than one, and then opening it, it's just so much easier and nicer. The last thing is to help you get that more organized look on your computer, and it is the desktop grid lock. So basically, whenever you take a screenshot, it will automatically put it into a grid, and it looks very nice. So now I'm going to be showing you how to put on the grid lock, which is very nice. You see, I'll move my thing around, and it will automatically be put in a nice grid thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Finder, and you're going to go to the View one. And then you're going to go to Finder and then go to View. So there's different options. So you can see you can clean up by, tags, dates, all of that. But then the one we're going to want to do is sort by. So you can also sort by the date it was created, all of that. But this one is called Snap to Grid, which is very nice, and that's what it means. When you drag it around, it will automatically put it in a grid shape. And it just makes it very nice instead of having it cluttered everywhere. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you learned something new, and hopefully your laptop is very aesthetic and organized now. Like the video if it helped you out, and subscribe if you want to. It helps me out a lot. And also comment, because I love seeing you guys' comments and replying to them. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace!